Hi, and welcome back to another episode of UX Clicks. I'm Simon, this is Anastasia. We're both senior user experience design consultants living and working in London, and we're here to be your private mentors and help you get into the wonderful world of user experience design. Today we've come together to talk about a really exciting subject, which is what is the importance and value of the imagery within your UX portfolios.
Yeah, so that's quite controversial subject, and a lot of UX designers might say that imagery and look and feel is not important, but we feel it's quite good to have good imagery in your portfolio. So it's worth mentioning that according to Dale Carnegie and many of his books, he says that 85% of our knowledge gets to us in our brain through the visual expression. Okay, so that's 85% of all of the knowledge, which means actually visual representation of things and the quality of imagery probably is important.
Yeah, without a shadow of a doubt. If you want to be thinking about style of your imagery, the branding, the space that you have around an imagery, the color, is it a consistent color? In terms of the style, is it all illustrated or are you using all photography? You want to consider like crops and positioning on the page. Kind of art direction really does play an important part when pulling together a really outstanding user experience design portfolio.
Yeah, exactly. And just remember, these days you have so much resource out there. So when we were starting, there was no free imagery available as much as today. There was no Google Images, nothing like that. Today you have plenty of resources for free and done by amazing professional photographers.
Yeah.
So you can go and download relevant imagery from Unsplash, from Pexel, and some other places where you can for free get beautiful imagery that will take your UX portfolio to another level.
Yeah. It's definitely something to consider. Have a look at different case studies and projects portfolios and see how kind of other designers and brands and companies are using imagery to kind of tell a story about who they are and what they do, and you want to kind of aspire to that using a kind of consistent vibe and look and feel.
Yeah. So we had also a very good example recently. We spoke to one UX designer that after conversation with us in terms of imagery that he was using, he literally just changed the header image on his portfolio site. It made a massive difference, and he got hired around 2 weeks later, which was really amazing, but also shows how important that is and how with such small change you can make a massive difference.
Yeah, I think that was it. He actually had photography, and then that particular image you were talking about was an illustration, so it kind of didn't quite fit in with how he'd approached the rest of his portfolio, and then making that change, it surprisingly made quite a big impact on that. So
cool.
It's definitely something worth thinking
about.
Yeah,
think about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment below, subscribe to our channel, ask questions. We're here for you. So see you at the next video.
Yeah, thanks for your time, guys.